Right, I'm going to give Mini another go. It's a two-handed job though, so I've had to balance the camera because that flame actually gets quite high. Oh, you burn your hands getting it in. Right, we're in. We're in. I don't think I've done it justice just now. I wasn't sure because it only takes, well, it only took about 100 millilitres of water, distilled water, and I'll run it for probably 5 minutes. I'm going to look back on the other video because I've just topped it up, and I've topped it up with another 20 millilitres. So at the period, that time it took, the time I ran it, it used 20 millilitres. I'm going to close the throttle, a bit more oil, in that, and that one there, and the others will be all right. I only switched it off a few minutes ago, so it'll still be oiled. Yeah, it fired up. Well, you saw it. If you saw the other video, you'd have known it fired up on just a tiny amount of PSI. Be hard to see now. Tiny amount of PSI. The forward and the reverse engine mechanism worked perfectly. I've got to get these two rollers so I can put the wheels. Yeah, so these are DR Mercer, made in Birmingham, England. They don't make them anymore. You can still get parts for them. I think you can still get. There's who is it? There's a company online that do the gas conversion, and that's well worth getting. I think I'll probably go for that. This is a keeper. I won't be selling this. Some models I'll buy because I think it's an interesting model to do a YouTube video on. But then I move them on because it's something I'm not too worried about having in my collection. But some, yeah, I do want them in the collection. They're very nice, and this is a very nicely put together little engine. It fired up really easy earlier. Fired up really easy. So I know it's all set up properly. I'll give that a little. Oh, it's still leaking a little bit. Let's see if I can do that with a little pair of pliers. I don't want to do it too much, but give it a nip. It's a bit loose. So the previous owner, so they'd only run it on steam once. Lovely. Look at that. That's a lovely little model. Lovely little. I think I'll get that gas conversion. And watch this neutral and reverse. I've done it earlier, I didn't even have to touch it. Really nicely put together. I don't know why they closed down. Some of these companies, because they have to put a lot of work in, and they're using, you know, sort of good quality parts, they have to charge for it. And a lot of people just you know, I don't think they get enough customers, because a lot of the firms are closed down. But it's a shame, really. But what I've read online that the guy was the owner of the company was still making these when he was in his 80s. So it might have been a case that they only closed down because he just got too old to do it anymore. You can understand that. You can understand that completely. Now what we on here, look. Runs on hardly any pressure. I think I'm going to look into getting a sight glass, put in the back of that boiler, because big deluxe model then, wouldn't it? Because this is the version 2, and version 2 apparently is the only difference really is they all come with pressure gauge. Version 1 doesn't. There might be some other minor differences. Got a little bit of a but I like it. It's lovely. Steering works lovely. Yeah, we'll get them rollers. So that I can put it in gear. So over the next week or so, I'm going to get a few of them out and put them on the garden table. Look at that. The movement, really good. I can't wait to see Mini up and running. Can't wait to see Mini up and running. Look at that. What a beauty. Yeah, gas conversion. Now, I'm not going to do anything to this until Mini's complete and running and everything's proper on Mini. Then I might paint it. They do look nice. I've seen you know, same old thing. I've seen them on YouTube. I've seen the videos. Some of them look absolutely gorgeous. But there are a few just left like this. So the jury's out at the moment. But I've got too much going on with Mini to start taking this apart and painting it. And it's running lovely. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Goes lovely. Goes lovely. Yeah, I think that'll be it for second video. And next time you see it, I'll have the Mamod, I'll have a Dole, I'll have a few others out, get them all together and line them up, different small one, small, medium, large, and hopefully I'll have Mini on the end. So anyway guys, I'm going to keep doing this type of video, so if you like it, do a like and subscribe, and there'll be more coming up. Cheers guys.